This administration has carried out an unprecedented attack and campaign against people of faith. If you look at the numbers, we've never seen anything like it before in American history. It has been one of the most disgraceful chapters in the history of the Justice Department and in the history of the FBI.
Mantakin mo, from Department of Justice at sa FBI nang gagaling yung pang-uusig. Naku po, parang parang sounds familiar. Bakit kanyo? Ganyan din po sa atin eh. Sa atin, hindi sa DOJ. Actually, pati sa DOJ. Pero ang talagang matinding bumanat dyan, yung DILG. Tapos, sino ginamit? Yung PNP. O, ganyan no. Dito naman, DOJ tsaka FBI. Which is, ganun din naman ang nangyari. Di ba kung maaalala nyo, lagi sinasabi ni Pastor Kibulo yan, FBI, nilusob sabay-sabay yung bawat church nila. Sabay-sabay na nilusob ng FBI. O, eto mismo, kinukumpirma ng kanilang senador na there is a weaponization against churches.